Take a moment to arrive here, right where you are. Close your eyes and place one or both hands on your heart. There is healing available to you right now that goes beyond what any medicine, any treatment, or any human hand can offer. A healing that works at the level of your soul, addressing not just the symptom, but the root, not just the body, but the whole of who you are. This healing has always been available. It flows from the same infinite field that holds the complete record of your soul, every wound, every gift, every possibility for wholeness that is available to you in this lifetime. As you inhale, open yourself to receive that healing right now, not by doing anything, simply by being willing, simply by saying yes. As you exhale, feel it moving through you, through every cell, like warm light filling every dark or hurting place, gently, completely, with perfect intelligence about exactly what you need. Your healing is not someday, it is available right now in this breath. I am sending you so much love.